So we're going to be talking today about grit. Really becoming dangerous. A big part of that is, what does grit look like, right? What does grit look like? So here's what's really interesting is there is this idea that it is talent that gets us where we want to go. Talent or experience or, or your gifts. And yes, those play a role. But there's a lot of research, and if you haven't read Angela Duckworth's book on grit, grab it on Amazon. It's a must read. And I think she's probably one of the people who has done the most research and study on that. And she was able to accumulate enough research to know, and this was in 2005 and 2007, and I want to read it exactly for you so you can take this in and I don't mess it up. So she's asking, why do we need to pay attention to grit, right? Why do we need to pay attention to grit? Duckworth and Seligman, another researcher, have demonstrated that grit, perseverance, and self-discipline are better predictors of success than the SAT or IQ test. These standardized tests serve an important function, but are limited in their ability to measure important traits such as grit and self-control. Let me Suzannize that for you. Let me make this easy for you. It means you can outwork and out-endure all the really smart people. It means you can go further even if you may feel like you are behind in certain things. Really what it's saying is grit, endurance, resilience, self-control, and self-discipline outperforms intelligence and experience all day long. That should be a hallelujah moment for you. That should be a, oh my gosh, thank you, because you know what? I don't always know that I'm the smartest person in the room. I don't always know that I have the most experience in the room. I am what I am, but you know what I know I can do? I can stick with this. I can have the endurance to get through whatever I need to get through. And so what we're really saying here is that grit outperforms talent, and you should be ecstatic about that because all of us have the ability to have grit. All of us have the ability for resilience. All of us are able to develop a higher level of endurance, right?